You're gonna know all these sets by the end of this. So we have a special petition to make the Rake hornpipe its own set dance. That's the Krusty Krab hornpipe in SpongeBob. But this is the other Rake set. This is no, this is no, different Rake.
It's a full set.
Different
dance.
Rake.
Oh.
It's got a little bit of maturity.
It's like a little saucy.
It knows something you don't. It's gonna bounce, good stop and hit.
It's more like versatility.
Mm-hmm. You could vary up your tricks a little bit. I thought it was a shorter set. No, this is the set part. Okay, it's got a little bit of extra sauce there.
Yeah, I really like it.
This might fall into that category of sets people forget that are actually pretty good.
Would you do this at a 76?
Great question.
Ooh.
That's got some sass. It's definitely a slept-on set dance.
Yeah.
I could see this with the right dancer being
Yeah,
killer
it
at
has to be
76.
it has to be the right dancer. I would put this in above Wandering Musician.
I think A tier is a solid place for it, and I think I would put it above Wandering Musician.
For sure.
Rake hornpipe, make it a set.
Oh, boy.